Herefordshire, I think, but we are now nearly at the weird little kit car thing. But this road is, yeah, it's subtropical. It's like incredibly narrow. Cool. We didn't want to have a bigger truck than this, did we? It's like going to Cornwall again. That's like New Zealand, the ferns. So we're going to get to this bit where the switchback is, which must be this bit. Okay, we're going to wait here for him to. Oh my God, turn up.
Jesus.
We should go in here.
Oh.
We'll wait here, shall we? Make sure the handbrake's on.
Oh God.
We'll wait for him to turn up.
Oh. No. Oh Jesus.
Hey?
Yeah, I'll let you go outside with that.
Thanks, bub. That's a long way down there. I don't think we want to.
Oh,
Yeah. It is Mark 1 Granada, isn't it?
Yeah, no. Fiat Panda 4x4.
Absolute beauty. Was it Torino?
Torino, yeah. NCF Torino.
NCF Torino. I've got a feeling this might be going to Mongolia.
Wow.
That is a good possibility. But yeah, all the way from New Zealand I've got it, which is nice.
Wow.
Right then, let's get it on. Yeah, you'll be alright. We'll get there.
Straight on that, straight.
We're good at that?